Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jon'Netta. I like makeup, I love makeup, I do makeup, I buy makeup, I wear makeup, I create with makeup. This is my outlet from the world. This is me documenting my journey. Period. Anyway, yes, so these types of looks, I really enjoy them. They're just new to me, and I mean, I monkey see, monkey do, but I'm still learning. So yes, this is the fave. So right now I'm literally just going to tap. I tapped on the red, and now I'm just gonna tap around red with orange, tap around orange with yellow, and I mix yellow and gold together because it makes a brighter yellow. And then I'm gonna tap around yellow with red, orange. I'm gonna do an orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange. Yes. On the yellow and the red, and I take the orange and blend everything together, and it just makes the ombre just so much better. Like I'm trying to stick to this pattern, but it really works the other way, because I have seen people will stick to their like 2 or 3 color pattern, but me, I feel like a transition shade in the middle, it really just it just makes everything just come together and blend out better, and just look just good and smooth and flows better. Okay, so I've been practicing this look for 3 days now. This is my 3rd attempt, and I would say it's alright, minus this little area. I would say the look actually is kind of cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do this looks really good. I'm thinking about leaving it and cutting this side. Does this on? Yeah, yeah, it should be cut. So right here, bring it down and then up again. That looks really good. Usually, if I'm doing this, I would try to wipe the colors off, but I ran out of like makeup wipes, so we're gonna work with what we have, and we have concealer, so let's just freaking cut it. It's kind of a weird shape, but it is a shape. Alright, so this is me, a real person, not an MUA, just someone who enjoys makeup and tries to recreate the things that she thinks is cool. Like, yeah, I want that on my eyes, but I'm not about to go pay a crap ton of money to get it. Like, no, I'm going to try to do it myself. I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna blend out some red and yellow and stuff. So I'm gonna start with the red. I'm just gonna tap it on the bottom. Kind of going up with it. I'm gonna create like a cute blend with the wing, of course. And tap that right on top of red. No swiping, just light tippity taps. Okay, a bit of swiping. I'm gonna use this brush to blend yellow. Be back. So I did this little look and I've been practicing this look for 3 days. Trying to master this look, I don't know, but this is the look all complete. I've been practicing and I've been redoing and taking off and starting over. And y'all, it has been a process nonetheless. I want to start doing more looks like this with the ombre style. I think it's really pretty. Get into it. It's about the eyes right now, and I think I freaking did that. I think I did the freaking thing with the eyes, and yeah, the face could be a little better, but you know. See, another thing about me is that I literally wanted to be like, I wanted it to be good. So like I wanted, what did I want? Okay, like I wanted a cute design for both sides of my eyes. Obviously I couldn't make that happen. I just don't know what to do with this style look. I need to play with it some more with different colors and shapes and stuff. I've seen a heart star. We're just gonna go crazy. I've also seen like different colors start out in the middle and go out to a tie-dye. So I mean, you know, I don't know, whatever happens. Okay, so thank you for watching. Catch me in the next one.